What's up guys, welcome back to Koby Sneaks. Today we are doing an unboxing, review, and on-feet look at the brand new GOLF and Converse One Star Low top sneaker. Here we go. Alright, without further ado, let's get right into the unboxing. So, as you can see, we have the classic Converse box, but in classic GOLF style, with the pink top, classic Converse black box. You've got the GOLF Converse branding on the top, and then on the main tag here, you've got the sizing, size 11, like usual, and then the official style code here, 163169C, if you're wondering. I'm assuming that stands for Curry. Anyways, the official colorway name of this is Curry, and Egret. I don't know what Egret even is. If you can look that up and let me know in the comments, please do. I do not know what that is. And then, of course, just the style, the GOLF 1X, 1 star. I'm assuming that's it. Alright, let's open up the box. Ah, yes, perfect. Just as in classic GOLF style, they give you this massive burlap sack right here that the shoes come in. Honestly, kind of useless, but a pretty cool add-on to a shoe. I mean, like, not every Converse or any shoe for that matter comes in a burlap sack, so that's pretty cool. Alright, let's get these shoes out of the way here. Perfect. Alright, now that the shoes are out of the box, let's go into an in-depth review and look at this entire shoe from inside and out. As you can see with this collaboration with Converse, GOLF went for a pretty unorthodox approach. They did an entire burlap upper, and if you don't know what burlap feels like, it's kind of like this rough, like, canvas. Like, think of like a basket that you would get at the farmer's market or something. It's pretty unique. Again, kind of reminds me of a country or outdoorsy feel, but again, very unique for Converse and GOLF to be doing this, but kind of cool. I like this a lot. And then on the side here, you do have the classic 1 star in GOLF style with the extended star line here in a matching brown suede finish. Not the burlap, it's a brown suede finish with white contrast stitching on there. The shoe does come with both white laces and matching burlap brown laces. The burlap brown laces are a bit lighter in color than the actual shoe itself, so that's one thing to note. And then on the tongue of the shoe here, you just have a screen printed GOLF and Converse logo in black. And then as you can see, the entire midsole here is done in this kind of off-white cream rubber color with a matching off-white cream Converse stamping on the back. And then the outsole. The outsole is my personal favorite part of these shoes with GOLF and Converse. These have the classic GOLF flower outsole design, and in this case, for this shoe, it's a darker brown. And to be honest, that's pretty much it about this shoe. It's a pretty simple shoe when you look at it, but it is quite striking in the materials they use. So I'm really feeling this. But without further ado, let's get these on the feet and see what they look like in action. Alright, I hope you guys liked that on-feet look at the new Converse and GOLF 1 Star Lows. In my opinion, is this a Koby cop or a Koby drop? I'm gonna go with Koby cop. I personally love the 1 star low top sneaker that Converse has made for years and years and years, and I love what GOLF always does with their collaborations with Converse, and in my opinion, this is one of the most unique collaborations with Converse yet. I honestly love this sneaker. It's a nice neutral tone, goes with almost every pair of pants and every outfit that you have, and it's not too loud, but if you know what you're looking at, you know that you're looking at the new GOLF and Converse collaboration. That's it guys, I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a like and do not forget to subscribe. I'd love to hear your feedback in the comments about what you want to see more of, what you want to see less of, if you want me to shut up, talk more, whatever it is, I'd love to hear it from you, so please leave a comment down below. Once again, my name's Josh, this has been Koby Sneaks, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.